Oh, hey. So,
We're here at orientation.
yeah, orientation. A lot of exchange students today. And we're about to go eat lunch at the local market. First things first, didn't know what the blue thing was, but it's like an orange or citrus. And you squish it. Yeah, it's a lime. And then you squish it inside the water to clean the water. And now this is the chili crab. It's famous. We got our rice on. There's a line for a taxi. This is their monorail in Singapore, but they call it train. But it's a monorail, obviously. Obviously. That guy's delivering Pizza Hut on a scooter. Now walking down to registration. So this is like the campus. A lot of different trees, bamboo. It's crazy. It's like we're in the jungle. Yet there's a lot of buildings. And you can see it's pretty hot. There's an outdoor Olympic swimming pool. Yeah, seriously, holy shit. Crazy. Oh my god. What is... That is crazy. I hope that tastes good.
Yeah, I hope too.
Filming the monorail. Yo, it's going pretty fast.
Oh, there's not a monorail, it's a metro.
Dude, it's a monorail, man. We're above ground.
That's not the definition of a monorail.
What's the definition of monorail?
Monorail is just like one track. This has like 2 tracks.
That's what you're saying the definition of monorail is?
Yeah. The fact that it's above ground doesn't not make it a metro. It's alright though. Sorry I messed up your video.
In fact, I think you just made it better. Dickerson. Unbelievable. Inside the MRT. We want to go to Bugis today. Go to Arab Street. Arab Street. Arab, not Arab. 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 Got off at Bugis station. As you can see, there's a whole different type of mix of people here. It's like Chinese and Indian. So we're on Arab Street right now. A lot of crazy markets. Whoa. You want fish? Raw fish. Smells like ass. So hot. I don't know if you can see the sweat. Yeah, I know, nasty, eh? You know what's funny is like all the foreigners here, they know you're Canadian right away because you say A. And I say it unconsciously. This is their Camry. So much better than ours. All their cars are so clean. I wonder if that's a Nissan Skyline. It doesn't look like it. Alright, we're going into a huge electronics store. Hopefully it's cheap. It's a Rocker Center, not Rockefeller, but Rocker Center.